Hello guys, and welcome to this new episode. I hope all of you are doing well today. This is video number 2 of 3. I will not be able to probably create another video for this week anymore because I had some a little setback. There is something I am trying to do, but I've not been able to do them because I'm trying to record with my PC and I keep getting some lags that I am not okay with. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you have solution to recording on your PC, because there are things I want to get done weekly for you guys but I've not been able to do. Let me know the softwares you're using to record on your PC. Thumbs up to you. I would really love that. So today we are going to be discussing about many projects on the Tom blockchain. I want to give my review of the Tom blockchain so far with the Telegram mini applications and so many other projects that have been launched on the Tom blockchain recently. We're going to discuss some of the airdrops, some of the projects, what they are up to, is this sustainable, and what I think the Tom blockchain, what I think people should be focusing on. I mean, DevOps, developers, those that are building in that space, things that we should be focusing on, because I am also very super, or how do I put this? I am so excited about the Tom blockchain, and I think the adoption that has come along with Tom blockchain is massive, and I believe we could do much more with Tom blockchain. That's what I believe. And we're going to be talking about all these, and you're going to let me know what you think about these in the comment section. And we're also going to look at some of the projects that we think might do well over a long time, and that you could actually jump on and be part of. Some have already launched their token, some are yet to launch their token, but I believe they have something that is superb, that you can jump on over time and maybe hold or trade that particular token. But like as always, this is not financial advice. You should do your own research. All right guys, without further ado, let's jump right into it. So guys, before we continue, if you're seeing our video for the first time, guys, this is an amazing channel. Smash that subscribe button, join our community. We are trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. We are currently at 3,000 subscribers. So guys, please smash that subscribe button, help us get to that mark. And we have loads of content in this channel that you will love to see, loads and loads of educative content, and we have an amazing community as well. So guys, join our community. So let's get right to it. Tom blockchain has been doing quite well this year. To be honest, they have been doing well, and I'm not surprised that they have jumped to number 13 according to CoinGecko on the chart of top 10 or top 15 token. As a matter of fact, I was expecting them to have done better, because I have high expectation of Tom blockchain, looking at how much they've contributed to the adoption of the project, looking at the fact that it's also linked to the Telegram and the guys behind it. So I was expecting much more better from Tom blockchain. But thumbs up to their team. They have done well this year. Now, pertaining to the project that people have built on Tom blockchain so far, especially on the Telegram mini application. Let me focus on the Telegram mini application, because there have been so much rave about projects built on the Telegram mini application. Majority of them have come up with projects that are not sustainable, while there are some that are very much sustainable over time. There are some that are big meme coins like Notcoin and Dogs, because I think they didn't take long to launch their project, and as you can see, they've done well. The market cap is currently close to $1 billion for Notcoin, and White Dogs has a market cap of almost $400 million. And they are the top 2 tokens in the Tom blockchain. That is according to CoinGecko, right? And I think it's the same thing for market cap as well. But they don't really have much substance to what they are building, because it's more like a meme token, but they might just be another meme token like Dogecoin or Bonk in the Solana ecosystem. But yeah, aside from these two guys, which I think have already occupied that big meme token angle in the Ton blockchain, unless another one come from nowhere, I think every other token, every other project that they have built using the Telegram mini app, many of them have not been up to par. Hamster Combat, people complained about the token allocation and the fact that they evicted so many people from their projects. People were not happy about that, and I think out of all their games, I think one of them is the only game I think seems interesting that might be able to keep their community engaged. And they currently have about $266 million market cap and doing 66 million volume per 24 hours, which I think is relatively okay, and that makes them the third one on the list. We have other ones like Go Mining Token. I don't know that project. Let me know any other project that you guys know in the comment section that you think is not doing well after launch. They have the Citizen as well, which also people complained about their allocation. I'm not surprised. Their allocation was so poor, although the allocation price, the launching price was okay, but they've also not done well enough for their community. People complained about it. But yeah, they are on the top of the list of tokens here, and I'm not surprised. They have 150 million market cap, and they are also doing about 93 million volume per 24 hours, which is fairly okay. But is it sustainable? I am not sure. And there are also a bunch of other ones like the Wild Coin, which has a poor allocation, poor pricing, and everything. People complain so much about it, and I won't be surprised if they have lost lots of people in their community as of today. For the BitGet wallet, it's a solid project that I think they are building well. It's an exchange and it's a wallet that is doing fine, and that is one of the highlights of the Ton blockchain, right? BitGet is one of the highlights. Thumbs up to them and their community. There are many others like Gaming, Nicole AI, so many other cards. They have golds, they have so many things. Watchcoin, Ton cards, Ton fish, meme coin, coffee, tower. You can think about it. But many of those projects are not projects that I think are sustainable. They are building games that are not really relevant, not really interesting for the community to play over time. And people are just waiting for them to launch their token. After launching their token, if the allocation is not fine, people even sell whether the allocation is good and the pricing is good. They don't care, they sell and they are out of it. And that's because they've not been able to build a sustainable project that will keep their community intact. What I'm looking out for Ton blockchain is something similar to the growth trajectory of Solana. I think they have the ability and they have what it takes to build a community that is as strong as the Solana community. And majority of guys that have been building on the Ton chain, especially using the Telegram mini app, have not been doing as well as we hope they will do. And I'm hoping that they could improve on some of the projects that they've built on this chain. But talking about some project that I think they have the capacity to do well on this chain that have not launched so far. Let's talk about them. So one of them is the Hot Wallet, right? I've discussed Hot Wallet on this channel. If you have not seen the video we made on Hot Wallet, after watching this video, check the channel for the videos we've made on Hot Wallet and watch the review of Hot Wallet. I think they are up to something. Also, they are not a first-time founder. They've done something before coming to Hot Wallet. This is a wallet, and they have so many other projects underneath Hot Wallet that is doing quite okay. I think this is like a DEX exchange, a DEX wallet built on Telegram. So I think they are up to something. Like I said, they are up to something, and this is the kind of project I believe we should be building on the Ton blockchain. I'm saying we because I'm so much excited about Ton blockchain. I think I have high expectation of the project, and I think they could do much better than it's currently doing. Aside from the Hot Wallet, I think there are other projects out there that I believe has good potential. I've discussed Blum many times on this channel. I've discussed it, I think Blum has something to it. They have a white paper. We know the founders. They don't hide. It's the same thing for not for Hot Wallet as well. We know the founders. They've come out to discuss with their community, and it's the same thing for Blum as well. And they are not just a drop game. They started with a drop game, but they've evolved from that, and they've come up with the meme part where you can actually launch meme token. It's something similar to all those launch pads where you can launch meme tokens, and they've been able to come with a system that works, and a lot of people have been participating in this project. As you can see, lots of tokens, meme tokens have been launched here, and it's really amazing because a lot of people are spending good amount of money here. And I know over time the community here with the Blum meme part will improve. So aside from Blum, we've also done a video on Blum. After watching this video, you can check it out on the channel. We have videos we've made on Blum review. Aside from Blum, we also have other project that I think one other project that I think is doing well is the Not Pixel. I think Not Pixel has something a bit unique to it, and I think they might be up to something, right? Because of the unique way they've come about the pixel stuff. Is just like talking about NFTs in the blockchain space, right? I think they've actually taken up that space, and they might be up to something. Like I said, we have also done a video on the Not Pixel project. You can check that after this video on the channel. So these are the three projects that I think might be up to something on the Tom blockchain, but they have not yet launched there. So before I say anything regarding the tokens that are very promising on the Tom blockchain, guys, this is not financial advice, so please do your own research. It's not financial advice, guys, but Tom coin is something I think everybody should be holding. They have great prospect. I think they have the capacity to be on the same trajectory as Solana. And if you're not holding Tom coin, guys, you are not doing well. So you hold some Tom coin, just keep it somewhere, hold it, because if you look at the trajectory of Solana, imagine holding Solana when Solana was at $5. Even if you are able to hold to about $100, you will have made a lot of money on that. So they are currently at the market cap of $16 million, and you might be thinking, guys, what's the probability of them doing a billion? I mean, $60 million doing 100 billion or something. I think it has the capacity to do that. If you check Solana, look at the growth trajectory. I think Toncoin has the ability to do that as well. Looking at the affiliation with Telegram and the guys behind it, they have the capacity to build a community. There is an existing community already on Telegram. They have an existing community. You understand? So they can actually build on that and, you know, do great works over time. About a few months ago, it was around $4 or thereabouts, and now it's at $6. I think it has already gotten to $7 plus before. So I think there is something really amazing here for you to get on early, because it's all about those that get in early, right? When it comes to many of these other chains, aside from their grandfather, which is Bitcoin, there is no time you cannot get into Bitcoin. You should be holding Bitcoin, you know, as someone that is in the blockchain space, right? You should be holding Bitcoin. But Toncoin is another project I think you should be holding. It could do as well as BNB and Solana. So guys, hold some Toncoin. I think Notcoin and Dogs also have something to them. I think they will hold the space of a top meme token in the Ton blockchain. Like we have the Doge and then we have Bonk in the Solana space. So I think these two guys are going to hold that position, and I'm not sure any other projects can take that position from them for many reasons that I don't know, right? One of the things I think is unique about them is they were early to the space, and they didn't take too long to launch their token, and their distribution was quite fine. The distribution was fine. The allocation, right? Then the pricing was also very good. And ever since then, they've been doing well. They've been doing well. Northcoin is close to $1 billion market cap, and they're doing good numbers in 24 hours. So these are two tokens that I think might do very well in the Ton blockchain space. But aside from those two guys, we have Toncoin that you should be holding, and there are other projects that are yet to learn that I think might be actually up to something over time. They might be up to something. So guys, that is my own opinion on it, guys. That's my opinion on these tokens. Now, that will be all for today, guys. That will be all for today. If you've watched this video this long, guys, thumbs up to you. Smash that like button. Let's get this video to as many people as possible. And smash the subscribe button, guys. Help get us to 10,000 subscribers. We are trying to get to 10,000. We are currently at 3,000, close to 4,000. So guys, smash that subscribe button. In the description below, you will see lots of links to so many projects that you should be part of. Check the description below, and then you'll also see a link to our community on Telegram. We're building a community on Telegram as well. Join that place where we share ideas. Anything that comes to mind, that's the first place I go to share them. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Thumbs up to you. Big up yourselves. Big up your damn selves. Take good care of yourselves. Have a wonderful weekend. I'll be seeing you in the next episode. Peace.